Hey guys, this is Karlama, and today we're going to be picking this tubular motor lock. The Diesha lock is a Pret one of, yeah, okay, I think that this was Google, it's fair to assume that this was Google translated, and well, that actually speaks much of the lock quality itself. I mean, it is fairly well made, works great with a key. Well, let's see what it takes to open one of these. We'll be using this goat wrench from Sparrows because of this, let's say, foot. Tensioning this lock is probably the most challenging part in picking it. Like, yeah. You just go around and feel for binders. As you see, the core has moved already. And we're open. To set it back, yeah, and it's right back where we want it. So as you see, it's not very complicated to open, but let's see where we can get it with this thing. Yeah, not so hard at all. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.